Alright, time to start the tutorial. So I already attempted to do this once, but when I watched the footage back, I really did not like it. So instead, you guys are getting a sneak peek of the look, and I'm going to explain everything on this eye now that I've, already heard myself talk and know what I want to say and what I don't want to say. So I've already used the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to prime my eyes, and I set it I set that with like a creamy beigey shade, so any creamy beige that you have will work. In the crease, I'm going to use this third shade called Silk Cream. Can you see it? Yeah, okay. And I'm just going to put that all over the crease, not the lid. And this is just to kind of help blend the blue later on. So you don't have to be super precise with that one, just put it on. And now we're gonna go into one of the main colors, taking the shade here called Jada, or Jada, however you say that. And I'm just gonna put that in the inner and outer corners of my eye and the crease to create a halo eye. Also guys, I changed the setting on my camera, so let me know if you guys like it. I also added my light, so I think it's at a place where I like it, but this is the first video I film with all the new settings. So please let me know in the comments or wherever, like on Instagram or something, whether you guys like this or not. I think I do, but like I said, this is the first time I'm filming, and we'll eventually edit with these new settings. So yeah, just let me know, guys. It'd be really appreciated and very helpful. Oh, I forgot to zoom in, dang it. Hi. Okay, now that I have that built on the inner and outer corners of my eye, I'm just going to take whatever's left on my brush and put that into the crease. Actually, dip in one more time into the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to dip back into that first crease shade that we used, and I'm just going to use this to kind of blend out some of the edges so they're not so harsh. Also, I've been practicing not trying to like take up my eyeshadow too high. I've always had a problem with that, and I don't really love the way it looks because I feel like it just looks really muddy and just not that good. Oh my gosh, I feel like the right eye is always my good eye. And the left one I always have trouble with. I don't know why. It's really frustrating. I'm gonna go back in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to slightly cut the crease in my eye. Is that too bright? Okay, I think that's a little better. And I'm gonna try and create kind of like a V with the cut crease. So I'm gonna make the top of it, or not a V, more like a T. No, yeah, a V. Yeah, so the top of the cut crease is going to be bigger than the bottom. Anyways, okay. Or not, I'm just going to keep it as a rectangle. It's fine. Alright, now we're going to dip into the creamsicle shade, and we're going to fill in the cut crease. I have switched my brush for the cut crease, and I think it works so much better. I think the brush I was using before was just like too thin and the shape wasn't right. So I switched to just like a flat concealer brush, and that seems to work so much better. Now I'm going to dip into the two kind of cream shades in this palette. I didn't use them before when I set my concealer just because those are shimmery and I didn't want a shimmer all over my eyes. So I'm just dipping into those, to both of them, because they look pretty identical, and this will just, I don't know, getting the most out of my palette by using both. And I'm just going to put that onto the brow bone to kind of help brighten it up a bit. Okay, now for the really fun part, we're going to do a gold eyeliner. So I'm going to use this gold that I have right here. Any gold that you have will do. And I know you're going to be like, how are you going to make an eyeliner out of powdered eyeshadow? Well, this is my favorite little trick. I use the NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium. This has been my little secret as to how I create colored eyeliner, and I just bought this little e.l.f. mixing palette. It's a little heart. It's so cute. I'm going to put the mixing medium on the back of that, and then literally what I do is the brush that I'm going to use for the eyeliner, I'm going to take that and just start scraping some of the gold eyeshadow off onto the palette right on top of the gel. Okay, yeah, so see how I have them there? Then I'm just going to mix them. Okay, so now it's all mixed up on my little palette, and I'm literally just going to take it and use it like I would any other eyeliner. And there you go, now you have a gold eyeliner. I'm just going to do the other eye, and then I'm going to do my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, I finished my face, and it's just kind of basic, what I use every single day. Now we're going to dip back into that Jada shade, and I'm just using like a round dome brush, and we're going to smudge that underneath the lower lash line. Okay, now to blend that out, I'm going to do a mixture of Creamsicle, that orange shade, and that kind of nude crease shade that we use, and I'm going to use that to further blend out the blue eyeshadow. Okay, and last little bit for the eyeshadow, I'm going to dip into those creamy, white-ish shimmer shades that we use in the brow bone. I'm going to use that to highlight the inner corner. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just started watching RuPaul's RuPaul's Drag Race. Oh my gosh. I did not know that it was like a long running show. I thought it was just, because I've only heard about it in the last year. So I thought it was like a new thing when everybody was talking about it. But it's on Hulu now and I'm watching it from season 1. Oh my gosh, I get it. I get the hype. Like, I understand why people are so into it and like always talking about it. It's so good. Okay, so I actually forgot. I'm gonna go get a brown eyeliner to line my waterline. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution lip liner in Glory. It's not an eyeliner, I know, but should be safe. Okay, done. Now for mascara, I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This is a sample that I got, but this brush is massive. It's like the size of the bottle. I really like this mascara. It's kind of expensive, like the full size. It's like 20 something dollars, which is a lot for me because my mascaras are like $3. So I've actually stopped putting mascara on my lower lashes because they're like falling out on this eye. And when I put mascara on, you can definitely see the gap that's like in the middle of missing lashes. So I'm not going to put mascara on the bottom. To finish off, I'm just going to do the lips and I'm going to use my little NYX Butter Gloss in Devil's Food. So I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Sheer Brilliant Lip Gloss in Muse. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to put this over the top of this lip gloss. I'm just going to fix my hair and then we will come back for the finished look. Okay, so I didn't really do much to my hair besides make it look a little bit neater, hopefully. But this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really like it. I love the color combination. I love just how kind of simple it was to do. Like when you look at someone with eyeshadow like this, it looks like they put in a lot more effort. And like I said, it's just really simple, really, it's just so pretty. Can I say that? It's just so pretty. I love the gold eyeliner. I love the blue, the yellow. I love the skin. This camera really helps to bring out that highlight. And even through my glasses, like you can still kind of see the look, which is good. I feel like even with these clear glasses, sometimes like my eye looks get lost in a sense. So I'm just so happy with this look. This is the second time I do it and I'm like, I just don't want to take it off. It's so, so pretty. Oh. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys recreate this look or draw inspiration for maybe some other looks. Yeah, I'm just like so happy. I think it's so pretty. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any suggestions that you have, or just like if you think this is cute too, tell me. It's like confirmation. And subscribe so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Follow me on Instagram. It'll be linked in the description box down below, as well as that NYX Mixing Medium, because that has been like the best thing ever. And yeah, and oh yeah, tell me if you guys like this new setup, if you like the lighting, if you like my camera settings, or if you think it's too bright, if you think maybe like something's shifting too much and I don't see it. Please let me know, because I'm trying to make my videos as best quality as I can with like the limited resources that I have. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, a good night, or just having a good time, and tune in for the next video. Bye!